Okay guys, 3 things that you need during this summer. First off, the 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster. And I use this a lot when I'm outdoors, kind of like now in this beautiful Yosemite setting. Wow, the rivers are flowing. I mean, it's amazing to hear the water running at night. So let's say you're hiking, you're going to be outdoors, you need that pollution defense for your skin. It's going to be great at protecting your skin from environmental damage. And then my number 1, Clinique Pep Start Daily UV Protector. Looks like this. Looks like that. And I love this on the skin. Pretty much evens out the skin. I put it on the top points of my face. And it gives me the sun protection that I need. This has SPF 50. At a minimum, when you're out in the sun, you need at least SPF 30. But for my face, I want to go higher, maybe SPF 50 and up. Now, when you're on vacation like me this weekend, my face gets really, really dry. And so I love this Me Time Botanicals Clean Slate Organic Vegan. It's just basically a very, very hydrating oil. This is a 3-in-1 mask. It can be a makeup remover, a cleansing balm, and a radiant sleeping mask. I personally love it for sleeping mask. It keeps my face hydrated. You know, when you're at the hotel, it definitely makes you feel super dry. You feel dehydrated. I feel like I have to drink a lot of water. And this one really does it for me. Keeps my face hydrated. It's hard at first, but once you rub it into your skin, it starts to melt in with the warmth of your skin. I like to use this at night, and I even go as far as putting it on my hands and cuticles when I have extremely, extremely dry hands and skin. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. These are my 3 go-tos essentials for the summer or just being outdoors. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye.